Okay, students, today I will tell you how to run the program in the Python. We will write our first program, and I hope that you all have installed the Python from uh, python.org, that is the website. How to install the Python I will tell you in the last video. And before the starting, okay, before running the program, one thing I want to tell you, that's you are seeing on the screen, this is the book that's provided by the CBSE. It is the NCERT book, and you can download it from the CBSE website, that is the CBSE academic.nic.in. That is the official website of CBSE. You can download. So I will follow this book to teach you. Okay, so before starting the program, one thing I want to tell you, that's the Python has two type of cell, means we can write program Python in two way. First is the interactive mode, and second one the script mode. So what is the interactive mode and what is the script mode? Interactive mode means we will write a script, we will write the code in the cell, and in a scriptive mode we can open the file from any locations and we will run it. So in this chapter, or in class 11th CBSE, uh, we will use the interactive mode, means we will write the code and we will run with the help of interpreter. Okay, so I suggest to you all that you all will download this and study it. Okay, so one word there is the IDLE, that you can see. Okay, and the full form is the mention on the above file here. Okay, IDLE is integrated development environment, means it is the integrated, you can combine the different language program and this Python. Okay, if you have write the program in C, someone write program in C++, some has write in Java, but we can combine these all program in Python. That's it is the integrated development environments. Okay, so come this one, the screen, Python, this is known as the Python cell. I will show you. This is the version 3.7. I will show you the latest version. And this one the version 2.7. I will show you the latest version, that is the 3.7. okay, that is the latest version. And I will teach you how to write the command. So this is on the print, we will discuss it later, the how we will do this. Okay, so firstly we will run the one program. Okay, so run the program. Before run the program, we will know how to open the Python. To open the Python, press the window key and search Python. And if you have the shortcut on the desktop, and then you can also open from there. So I am opening the Python. This is the Python. Okay, so you can see the screen. This is the screen of the Python. Okay, we will write here program. So firstly I will tell you the program to print name. Okay, print name. So we will write print, print, this one the keyword to print someone output. Okay, we will provide this bracket, after that double quote, because this my name is in a string, that's why we will write in double quotes. Okay, what is the string, what is the constant, that we will discuss later. So I am writing my name. Okay, and I have closed double quotes. Okay, and now press the enter. You can see the output. Okay, this one the output. So we have as I told you in the last video, that's to learn the Python is very easy if we have to write the program in C and C++, then we have to include the header file or some syntax that I have to follow. But it is very simple to write the program in Python compared to the Java or C or C++. Okay, so you can see that I have just print my name. Okay, and this way you can uh, print your name. Just write, and after writing each line, press enter and you will get the output. Okay, press enter and you will get your output. On this way we can run the program. Okay, so a student, I hope that you all are able to now uh, write your name in Python. So this is your task. Okay, so before doing next thing, you have to complete one task, write a program to print your name. Okay, do this. Okay, okay students, now I will tell you that's how to work with number. Okay, we will discuss in detail later, but firstly I already taught you that's how to write a program to print your name. Now let's see that's how it work with the number. Okay, so let's open the Python. Okay, this one the Python, and this one the ideally that's I have taught you about the integrated development environment. Okay, we will also run the program from here. So let's see from here. Okay, this on the Python shell, the version is 3.8.5. okay, so let's see, it will on the full screen. Okay, write the print. Okay, this bracket, you have to put the bracket in book. Bracket is not given, but if we write the without bracket, it will generate the error. Let's see. Okay, double quote Anuj. Okay, you can see that's there is the syntax error, missing the parenthesis in the cell of print. Okay, so we have to write like this. Okay, so once again we will write print. Okay, you can see here by different color you can separate the different portion of the program, like the variables, constant, syntax, that is in the different color. Okay, so let's see the result. You can get the result. Okay, now write the number. Let's see in the book. That's we have to try these. Okay, print 5 plus 7. We will write print, but not 5 plus 7. We will write 5 plus 7 in the bracket. Okay, and now to run the program, press enter. We will get the 12. Okay, next that's we have to try. We have to just try it. Okay, only write the 5 plus 7. Okay, 5 plus 7, press enter, then you will also get the 12. Okay, next this one, 6 into 250 divided by 9. 6 into 250 divided by 9. This one the symbol of into, that is the star. Okay, then we will get this result. So in this way you can also work with the number. Okay, let's check the print 5 minus 7, what it will get. 5 minus 7, it will generate the error. Let's see. Okay, so we have to write print bracket 5 minus 7. Okay, and press the enter. that is the me error. We have not closed here the bracket, double quotes. We have missed the double quote. Due to the missing of the double quote, it's generate an error. So once again I will write here print bracket double quote 5 minus 7 ending of double quote and close the bracket. Now press the enter. What we will get? 5 minus 7. Okay, once again we will write, and what will the output? You will see 5 minus 7. Okay, that is the minus 2, and this one the string that we will discuss later, and this one the numerical value. That's why it's generate the value. Okay, now we will write the program with the multiple line. Okay, so we can also execute a sets of instruction, a sequence of instruction at one time with the help of interpreter. This is one the program that is given on the book. We will write here x, y, and finally let's understand the program in cell. Okay, so restart the cell. Okay, because we will write from, so let's see, x equal to, what is the number given, 2, y equal to 6. Okay, and these are the variable. We will discuss what is the variable after some time. In z we will put x plus y. Okay, in z we have put x plus y. Okay, now print z and press enter. Yes, this one the print z, and this will in the double quote. Okay, this one the interpreter, that's on line by line. In this line we will get the error. Okay, print z. So let's see what is the program. X, this one the variable that's contain the value 2. Next variable is the y, that's has the value 6, and we will put x plus y, means 2 plus 6 in the z, and print the z. Then the output is 8. And this way we can run a small program. Okay, so I hope that you all have downloaded this book, and we will discuss this book in that way that you can understand it very easily. Okay, then some extra things that is given in the book. There's the script mode. Okay, that's we will write the program anywhere and go to the file menu and open, and we can run it. We can also save it by this save command. To run the program, press F5. These are the okay. Now this is we will write the examples on the script mode that is given to write the program. Okay, we will discuss this later. Before this, we will discuss the variable and its type. Okay, that we will discuss in the next video. What is the variable and what is the variable's type. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this.